Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you, and others won't. The two of you only need to be a key, like a key in a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 11, NASDAQ up 16, S&P's up 2.5, gold contract up $20, trading at $1,367 an ounce. Silver up 52 cents at $21.33 an ounce. Platinum up $10 at $1,474 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.02 a pound. Light sweet crude off a $1.78, trading at $98.26 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year was up 9 ticks at 124.04. 30-year up 21 ticks at 132.03. King dollar down 150 ticks, trading out at 79.55. The euro up 47 at 139, and the yen down 34 at 102.68. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, cash S&P, we get to 1854, rejects lower price again, does it with lighter volume. We do 609 versus 642 of yesterday. You get into the top of basically the lower range. It rejects it. What does that say? That says, guess what? You're going to be bouncing back up to this 1870. We'll see if we get any juice on the top side. Each time we go to the juice on the top side, doesn't have it. Yesterday we did have an expansion of volume. Today, a contraction of volume, rejection of lower price. We go to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What we have with the Dow Industrials, same setup in the Dow. Dow, of course, is not at its highs, didn't make its highs. The Dow got into 16,260, closed out down $11, sideways move. Bottom line is that the Dow, I do not expect will get into this 588 area, which was the high. It can certainly go try to test the 398, which is about $40 higher. We go look at the NASDAQ composite. So what we have with the composite is this. Composite fills the gap, actually. So the composite had gapped away on the 4th of March. The top of that gap was 42.84. We got a 42.70. You do it with 2.1 billion versus 2.4 of yesterday. That's saying the composite also can get up to the 43.41 area. If we go take a look at the SPY first, we take, so you can see the correlations inside those indices. What you have with the SPY came down to a lower price on 100 million shares. You were going into that area with 167 million. Yesterday we did 99 million. Bottom line, though, she got and stayed inside the higher range. So even with the SPY setup, can it get to? It looks like it's about 30 cents more. I don't expect you're going to see the 188.96 get hit. That bottom of that area would get hit. If we take a look at the 3 Qs, the way the 3 Qs is set up right now. That came down with 27 million shares, end up being up 34 cents. We're at 90.56. 90.65 is a number that can get hit. And I expect we're going to see that get hit. Gold contract. We go over to gold. Gold was up $20 out here today. Gold did 210,000 contracts, which is a good number, folks. That's a big number. That's a really big number, actually. So we are at. Yeah, you're at the 67. So let me put this on a continuous contract for a second. So I'll bring this back a year. So gold market right now, 1367. Yeah, that's saying that that's saying that you do have games to 1428 now. Let me bring up the GLD. We take a look at the GLD. What we have inside the GLD is this. GLD, yeah, a different ball game with the GLD. Interesting. So the GLD did 11 million shares, and 11 million's not even close. there's some divergence here. It's pretty large divergence, because what's happening is that the GLD, even on a daily basis, what it's going into is a monster. It's going into, I think it was 93 million shares. So the GLD is going to need more juice. We go to the silver market. We take a look at silver, SIK 4. What we have with silver out here, she's weak too. Oh, this is interesting. So silver was up 51 cents. Now, the last swing high in silver, folks, was out there, was at 22.15. We did 57,000 contracts, which is a good number. There's no doubt that's a good number. But that 57,000 is coming into a 65,000 on the way down. We take a look at, let's take a look at a few of those equities out here. If we look at Rheingold Resources, what we have with Rheingold's up $1.44, no juice inside it. We take a look at an Eco-Eagle. That was up $1.50. That wasn't bad. That was 2.4 million. That's going to go test the high, last high, which is 34.98. We go to Gold Corp. We take a look at Gold Corp. Gold Corp's not bad either. So it looks like a few of these are going to test their last swing highs. The last swing highs that were generated out there was the 14th of February. Bond market. We go over to the bond market. You take a look at bonds. This is what we have with bonds. The 10-year out here today was up 9 ticks. You had an expansion of volume come out. We did 1.2 million shares. That 10-year is on its way up to the 125.06, which, number one, that's the swing high from the 3rd of March. I suspect what you're going to see, though, is that this baby's going to run up to that 131 mark. We go take a look at the 30-year bond. What we have with the 30-year bond. The 30-year right now did 302,000 contracts. This has been strong like bull, big time. She is going to, the swing point she's going after is 134.01, and that's the smaller swing. The larger A to B equals C to D will get that baby up to the 141 area. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at Royal Gold. So Royal Gold was up $1.78. Royal Gold, bottom line, is totally contingent on what the price, physical price of gold is, because that's how they make their bread. So Royal Gold did 850,000 shares, which is a good number. If Royal Gold really gets some price expansion going with a little more volume, that's going to be a monster ABC structure on the way up. It's good. This whole area is going to get really interesting. Some of the high volume stocks today we had in a still low volume market. This is what it is. Oh, I will do King Dollar. Sorry about that. Plug Power is up 77 cents. That already had got smoked. Oh man, Geron Corporation, that was down 271. That got killed. It's only $1.69 stock right now. Let's go right back to. I'll go right back to King Dollar. King Dollar out here was down 170. She was down 140 ticks, 33,000 contracts. So this is what you have with King Dollar. King Dollar right now is still testing out this December 18th level. This December 18th level is a big number, but I can tell you so the low of December 18th is $79.50. We got to $79.55 today. We did it with 33,000 contracts. That's 35,000 down there. We've tested this a few different times. Bottom line, that's what it has to hold. You know, and not that it has to hold, because there's another swing low that basically is right below that. But that is a level that you'd be looking for it to hold. We take this and put King Dollar on a, so there's the swing hold. The actual swing low rather is 79.060. That's the number that is out there. We go take a look at Big Blue, IBM. So IBM out here today, she gets into slightly lower price. She can't handle the gap that's out there. Inside the NDX 100, which moving the NDX 100, by the way, folks, are the biotechs. It's pretty wild watching it. REGN, that was up 10.98 today. Or Tesla. Activision was up 53 cents. Tesla was up $7. Expedia was up $1.77. Mylan Pharmaceuticals taken away from it. You had Cognizant Technology, Sirius Satellite, and Staples. You stay right there, folks. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. We'll come right back.